Hey guys, so this is an update video to the video I did earlier. I realised I missed a couple of bits out which I really should have put in the video. That's why I'm doing this part 2. Now if you didn't see part 1, I'll link it down below in the description and I'll link it up here in the corner. So go through and watch that before you watch this video. That being said, let's dive in and head over to eBay. So here we are back over on VidaXl's eBay store. Now if you want to know how I got all this up, go through and watch the first video, which is up here. So say we was to source this product, or say we wanted to list this product on our eBay store, I wouldn't directly order it from VidaXl's eBay store. So what I would do, I'd scroll down to their description, right down here, get the real title, because what they do, this is a title for the eBay store, and with VidaXl anyway, and this is their title on the eBay, not on the eBay, on the VidaXl website. So this is what I do, I copy and paste from VidaXl's eBay store on the item that I want to list myself. Then I'd go over to VidaXl, let's just get that up, and then I'd put that in their search engine, and that way that product will come up in their store. So just leave that for a minute. See, as we can see, I found it here. So again, if you want to use this method to find items to sell in your eBay store, once you've found items that you are willing to put in your own eBay store, do not order them straight from eBay. Take the title, go over to VidaXl and plug it in the search bar and find it that way. So now we have found the item. Let that load up. So now what I would do, like I always say, is also build out a list of items into a spreadsheet. So don't find items and list them one by one. You want your spreadsheet where you just keep putting your items that you want to sell into that spreadsheet. Then when you go to list, you go to your spreadsheet and list from there, and it is a hell of a lot quicker than listing one by one. Again, this is just an update from my previous video where I was showing you a method to find products to sell. So if you want to learn that method, click up here and go through and watch the video. It's only about a 10-minute video, so it won't take long at all. But these are the extra bits that I just wanted to say because I completely forgot to mention them in my other video. So that is it. Now, if you're new to the channel, I recommend going and hitting subscribe and turning on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. I upload daily about making money online. And give me a thumbs up whilst you're there. So, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.